Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable new Copilot on Microsoft Excel. So first thing first, right click Start menu, click on Run, okay? Then type in Reg Edit, okay? Then click on OK. Next thing you want to do is click on Current User, click on this arrow, okay? Then click on Software. All right, so expand Microsoft right here, okay? Microsoft, expand it. So after expanding Microsoft, you want to find Office, okay? Expand Office, expand 16.0, okay? So expand Common, then expand Experiment Config right here, okay? So after expanding Experiment Configs, okay, so you want to right click on External Feature Overdrive and then click on New, click on Key. So you want to name the key Excel, okay? Rename Excel, right click. So you want to right click on Excel, then select New, then you want to select String Value. All right, so you want to rename the value Microsoft.office.excel.copilot, okay? So after renaming the Copilot, you want to double click. All right, so the value data, you set it to true, okay? So you click OK. So once you've done that, you want to exit this, okay? Refresh, then restart your PC. So once you restart your PC, the Microsoft Copilot should be enabled on your Microsoft Excel. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.